Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 15 June 2021. Yesterday I had mentioned in my trading view that if Nifty trades above 15,830-35 levels, one can buy into it. Today Nifty opened gap up, traded there for some time at about 15,840-50 levels. Thereafter it made a high of 15,900. Towards the end, there was some profit booking. Nifty ended the day at 15,858 points. We can see here a small doji type of candle has been formed in today's trade, which signifies indecisiveness amongst the traders. But still, the trend of the Nifty is up, and every day it is almost making life highs. So for tomorrow, if it trades above today's high, that is 15,900 levels, one can buy Nifty with a stop loss at about 15,840 levels. But one thing that I observed today was in Nifty futures, there is a significant decrease in volumes. In fact, today the volume in Nifty futures was the lowest in the entire series. If we move on to short-term charts, here we can see, as I had mentioned yesterday, that there was a channel which had developed in the hourly charts. Today, Nifty struggled to sustain over this upper channel line, and there was some profit booking towards the end of the day. Tomorrow, if Nifty trades below 15,840, one can sell with a stop loss at 15,900 for a target of 15,800 and 15,750 levels. This is only for intraday trading. Positional shorts is still a no in this uptrending market. Even for those who go short in Nifty, please try your stop losses very strictly. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Yesterday I had mentioned that it is wise to avoid Bank Nifty as it is still in a range. Nothing is changed in Bank Nifty except that it closed about 300 points higher than its previous close. Till we have, as we can see here, overhead resistance at about 35,500 levels, and moving higher we have another significant hurdle at 35,800 levels. On the downside, as I had mentioned earlier, 34,400 is a strong support area. In between this channel, it is wise to avoid trading in Bank Nifty. Moving on to derivative data, Nifty ended the day higher by 57 points to close at 15,869. Some longs were seen in Nifty futures, which closed higher by 0.4%, the open interest moving up by 4%. Nifty PCR was at 1.35. Amongst Nifty options, 17th June expiry, put trading was seen at 15,700 and at 15,800. Call buildup was seen at 15,900 and at 16,000 levels. Bank Nifty closed at 35,247 points, higher by about 300 points. Short covering was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest went down by about 2%, with Bank Nifty closing higher by 0.85%. For Bank Nifty, PCR is at 0.83. Neutrality was seen by FIIs in index futures segment today. Their net sold positions in indices worth 11 crores. Their open interest went up by 3,246 contract. The market breadth was neutral, which is somewhat worrying as the market was up by about 80-90 points at one point of time. VIX was at 14.61, down by 1%. I think this is also a matter of concern as it seems complacency is creeping at higher levels. A look at the FIA activity in today's trade. Now a look at the open interest chart. Now a look at the open interest chart for this week's expiry. Before we end, a look at the securities which are in ban for tomorrow's trade. Adani Ports, Canara Bank, Yes Cards, Nalco, PNB and Sun TV. Thanks for watching. Good night.